Hi, I hope you are doing good. I'm going to show you a demo of my previous work in which we are scrapping the listings from our website. So this is basically a website which has the listings. These are property listings, and we are scrapping different information from here, which include the property name, address, title, agent, sellers, listing starting date, ending date, price, and all those things. So this is the website. I'm going to show you the demo. So this is the scrapper. It's running in the browser, and here is the code of this particular scrapper. And the scrapper is right now scrapping different details. Here you can see, so it is scrapping status, street, city, state, zip code, price, and all those things, and it's scrapping those information and displaying those on screen. And once it scraps all the information, it will add that information into a Google Sheet. I can customize the scrapper according to your requirement, as you mentioned in your requirements that you want the scrapper to scrap all the listings. So I can customize it according to your requirement. This scrapper uh, uploads all the information to the Google Sheet, but if you want, I can design the scrapper in a way that it uploads all the information to the Google Sheet either, or it can also give you all this information into a simple Excel sheet according to your requirements. So you can see it scrapped all the information, and once it grabs all the information, it will add that information in here. So you will see in a moment that it will add that all information here. So right now it has scrapped all the information. So you can see here, within few seconds it will add all this information into Google Sheet. So here is all the information, and now it's going to upload it on the Google Sheet. So it takes some it will take few seconds, and then we will be able to see all the information here. So let me just get back. So you see, data uploaded successfully to the Google Sheet. I come here and all the information has been added here. So like you can see all these features including status, street number, city, state, zip code, price, listing starting date, listing ending date, on market, closing, seller name, first name, and all the information is displayed here. So in the same manner, I can design the scrapper for you for the website that you mentioned in your proposal. Thank you so much.